Ever feel like your money is slipping through your fingers, like you're paying for things you don't even remember signing up for? You know, those sneaky subscriptions that magically reappear on your credit card statement? Or maybe you're just wondering where all your hard-earned cash is actually going each month. If you're nodding along, you're definitely not alone. We've all been there. In today's world, managing finances can feel like navigating a minefield. There are so many apps, services, and offers vying for our attention, promising to make our lives easier. But with so many options, how do you know which ones are actually worth your time and, more importantly, your money? That's where Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, comes into the picture. It's a popular personal finance app that claims to help you take control of your spending, cancel unwanted subscriptions, and even negotiate lower bills. But here's the burning question: where exactly does Rocket Money work? Can it help you, wherever you are in the world? Let's dive deep and unravel this question. Before we get into the geographic specifics, it's crucial to understand what Rocket Money is designed to do. At its core, it's a financial management tool that aims to simplify your financial life. It links to your bank and credit card accounts, providing a comprehensive overview of your spending habits. This allows you to see where your money is going, identify recurring subscriptions, and track your net worth. One of Rocket Money's most popular features is its subscription cancellation service. It scans your linked accounts for recurring charges and provides a list of your subscriptions. With just a few taps, you can cancel those unwanted services directly through the app. This alone can save users significant amounts of money each month. Another key feature is its bill negotiation service. Rocket Money claims to negotiate lower rates on your bills, such as cable, internet, and phone services. They do this by contacting your service providers on your behalf and attempting to secure better deals. If they succeed, they take a percentage of the savings. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Where does Rocket Money actually operate? This is where things get a bit nuanced. Rocket Money's primary focus is on users within the United States and Canada. This means that the core features, such as subscription cancellation and bill negotiation, are largely designed for these markets. Why the US and Canada? Well, a significant part of Rocket Money's functionality relies on integrating with financial institutions and service providers. This integration is often facilitated through APIs and partnerships that are specific to these regions. The financial landscape varies considerably from country to country, and the systems and regulations in place can differ significantly. For example, the subscription cancellation feature depends on the ability to identify recurring charges and process cancellations through specific channels. These channels are often tailored to the US and Canadian markets. Similarly, the bill negotiation service requires access to service providers and customer service systems that are prevalent in these regions. So, if you're outside the US and Canada, does this mean Rocket Money is completely useless? Not necessarily. While the core features might be limited, some aspects of the app can still be beneficial. For instance, the budgeting and spending tracking tools can be used by anyone, regardless of their location. Rocket Money allows you to connect your bank and credit card accounts, providing a consolidated view of your finances. This can be valuable for anyone who wants to monitor their spending and track their progress towards financial goals. The app's categorization features can also help you understand where your money is going, even if you can't use the subscription cancellation or bill negotiation services. However, it's important to note that the effectiveness of these features may vary depending on the financial institutions and services available in your region. Some banks and credit card providers may not be fully compatible with Rocket Money's systems, which could limit the accuracy of the data displayed in the app. Furthermore, if you're outside the US and Canada, you won't be able to take advantage of Rocket Money's premium features, such as custom categories, advanced net worth tracking, and priority customer support. These features are only available to users in the app's primary markets. It's also worth noting that Rocket Money's terms of service and privacy policies are primarily governed by US and Canadian laws. This means that if you're using the app from another country, you will be subject to these terms and policies, even if they differ from the laws in your own region. In essence, Rocket Money is a powerful tool for managing finances, but its core functionalities are primarily designed for users in the United States and Canada. If you're outside these regions, you can still use some of the app's features, but you won't be able to take full advantage of its capabilities. This begs another question: what about the future? Could Rocket Money expand its services to other countries? While there's no official word on this, it's certainly a possibility. As the app continues to grow and evolve, it may explore opportunities to expand its reach to new markets. However, expanding to new markets would require significant investments in infrastructure, partnerships, and compliance with local regulations. Rocket Money would need to establish relationships with financial institutions and service providers in each new market, and it would need to ensure that its systems are compatible with the local financial infrastructure. Furthermore, Rocket Money would need to navigate the complex web of financial regulations that vary from country to country. This could involve obtaining licenses, complying with data privacy laws, and adapting its services to meet the specific requirements of each market. In the meantime, if you're outside the US and Canada and looking for a personal finance app, you may want to explore other options that are specifically designed for your region. There are many excellent apps available that offer similar features to Rocket Money, but are tailored to the needs of users in specific countries. When choosing a personal finance app, it's important to consider factors such as compatibility with your bank and credit card accounts, the availability of features that meet your specific needs, and the app's security and privacy policies. Ultimately, the best personal finance app for you will depend on your individual circumstances and preferences. Rocket Money is a great option for users in the US and Canada, but it may not be the best choice for everyone. To summarize, Rocket Money is a powerful tool for financial management, primarily optimized for users in the United States and Canada. While some features are usable outside these areas, the core functionality of subscription cancellation and bill negotiation is region-specific. Therefore, if you reside outside the US or Canada, you should carefully consider your needs before relying on Rocket Money as your primary financial tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.